Have you ever started your car only to feel an annoying vibration while idling? If so, don't ignore it. Vibrations at idle can indicate underlying mechanical issues. In this video, we'll break down 5 common car components that can cause these vibrations and how you can fix them. But before we continue, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to be the first to see our video. Let's dive right in. First on our list are engine mounts. These mounts hold the engine in place and absorb vibrations. Over time, they can wear out or break, causing the engine to shake excessively, especially at idle. Most vehicles have multiple engine mounts made of rubber and metal. The rubber helps dampen vibrations, while the metal provides structural support. However, with continuous exposure to heat, oil leaks, and engine stress, the rubber can degrade, and the mounts may crack or break. If you hear a loud thud or notice strong vibrations when idling or shifting gears, worn-out engine mounts could be the culprit. Ignoring this issue can cause further damage, as excessive movement can strain other components like the exhaust system and transmission. To fix this issue, inspect the mounts for cracks or fluid leaks, which indicate damage. Replacing faulty mounts with high-quality ones will restore smooth engine operation and prevent further issues. Next up, we have spark plugs. These small but essential components are responsible for igniting the air-fuel mixture in your engine cylinders. Faulty or worn-out spark plugs can lead to incomplete combustion, causing the engine to misfire and resulting in rough idling and vibrations. Common signs of bad spark plugs include engine hesitation, reduced fuel efficiency, difficulty starting the engine, and even a check engine light. If left unaddressed, misfiring spark plugs can lead to more significant engine damage. To fix this issue, regularly inspect and replace old spark plugs. Ensure they are properly gapped according to your vehicle manufacturer's specifications. In some cases, upgrading to high-performance spark plugs can further improve engine smoothness and fuel efficiency. The third component to check is the idle air control valve, or IACV. This small but crucial part controls the amount of air entering the engine at idle. When it gets dirty or clogged, it can cause erratic idling and vibrations. A malfunctioning IACV may result in fluctuating RPMs, stalling, or even difficulty starting the engine. It works with the vehicle's electronic control unit, ECU, to adjust airflow and maintain a steady idle speed. When the valve becomes clogged with carbon buildup, it restricts airflow, leading to inconsistent idle performance. A simple cleaning with throttle body cleaner can sometimes fix the issue. But if the valve is completely worn out, replacing it will bring back a smooth idle. It's recommended to clean or inspect the IACV during regular maintenance to prevent future problems. Another component that can lead to rough idling is the mass airflow sensor, or MAF sensor. This sensor measures the air entering the engine and helps adjust the fuel mixture. A dirty or failing MAF sensor can send incorrect data, leading to unstable idling and vibrations. Common symptoms of a faulty MAF sensor include rough idling, sluggish acceleration, and poor fuel economy. The engine may also stall when coming to a stop or hesitate when you press the gas pedal. A dirty sensor can often be cleaned using a specialized MAF sensor cleaner. However, if the sensor is damaged, replacing it is the best solution to restore smooth engine performance. Finally, clogged fuel injectors can also cause vibrations at idle. These injectors spray fuel into the engine in a fine mist for proper combustion. But over time, dirt and carbon deposits can clog them, leading to poor fuel delivery and engine shaking. A fuel system cleaner or professional injector cleaning can help restore smooth operation. In severe cases, replacing faulty injectors might be necessary. When fuel injectors are clogged, the engine may misfire, hesitate, or produce uneven power output. You might also notice a strong fuel smell or a drop in fuel efficiency. If cleaning doesn't resolve the issue, a mechanic can inspect the injectors and determine if they need replacement. Keeping your fuel system clean with high-quality fuel and periodic maintenance can prevent injector-related problems. And there you have it, 5 common car components that can cause vibrations while idling. Regular maintenance and timely repairs can prevent these issues and keep your car running smoothly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more car maintenance tips. Thanks for watching, and drive safe.